Hello, here I am to share a special recipe close to my heart, and that is two-tier white chocolate cheesecake. So let's get started with the step 1. Here I have 3 whole eggs. Beat them well to form a uniform mixture. In a second bowl, add cream cheese defrosted at room temperature. To this, we are going to add sugar, heavy whipping cream. Beat them well to form a creamy uniform batter. You can also use a mixer grinder to make the batter of cream cheese. Please add the beaten egg mixture to the cream cheese batter. Beat it to create a smooth paste. Let's go ahead and add a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix it well. Next step would be to add the melted white chocolate. I have melted the white chocolate in a microwave for few seconds. Cooled it. Mix it to form smooth paste and then add to the batter. Blend it well. This is the right consistency of the batter. Please ensure there are no lumps in the batter. If they are, then please mix it again in the mixer grinder. Now let's start the preparation for our two-tier cake. Take 2 springform pans of different sizes. I'm using a 6-inch diameter springform pan. You can use a springform pan ranging from 6 inches to 7.5 inches diameter in 6 quarts electric pressure cooker, and the smaller pan could range between 4 to 5 inches diameter. I have a 5-inch diameter springform pan which would form the upper tier of the cake. We are going to use an Oreo crust base. In the larger springform pan, I have already set the Oreo crust base. You can find the recipe for Oreo crust base in the description box below. Let's go ahead and pour batter over the crust. Make sure that you give enough space for the cake to rise. Place parchment paper in small diameter pan. Pour in rest of the batter in the smaller pan. Give a gentle tap to get even surface for your cake. Securely wrap aluminium foil around both the pans. The next step would be to bake the cake in our electric pressure cooker. Please add 2 cups of water in the inner pot of the cooker. Allow it to simmer for a while. Place big pan at bottom of inner pot using a trivet. Place a lid on top of the big pan. This is to provide a firm base for the top tier. Place small pan on the lid. Let's go ahead and close the lid of the cooker. Valve in sealing position. Pressure cook on high for 30 minutes. After your timer is done, allow the natural pressure release. You can also bake the white chocolate cheesecake in an oven. To do so, securely wrap foil around the pan. Place the springform pan in a larger baking pan. Fill larger pan with hot water, just enough for the base to get soaked. Water helps to evenly bake the cake. Bake the cake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 hours. Your cake is ready when the center is just set. Let's go ahead and open the lid of the pot. Remove the pans from inner pot. Allow pans to cool down completely and then refrigerate the pans for about 8 hours or at least 4 hours to the minimum. To demold the cakes, run a knife around the edges of the pan. This is the easiest way to demold a cheesecake. Hold the base in one hand and slide the ring through the arms of the same hand. Use a knife to release the crust from base of the pan. Please repeat the similar procedure for the smaller pan as well. The water droplets from the condensation seeped into the top layer of the cake. It doesn't matter since we are going to flip the top layer of the cake and it's done. Is it really done? Are we not missing a topping here? Okay, let's get started. Pour the delicious 3-berry topping on bottom tier. You can find the link to the berry topping recipe in the description box below. I am in love with the contrast in color and texture of the cake. Gently spread it all over the top layer of the cake. Here we are with the second tier. Wow! I have decided not to polish the sides of the cake. I am in love with the rustic, cheesy, natural finish of the cake. I am adding a spoonful of topping on the top tier and decorating it with the borders of fresh raspberries. I just cannot wait to taste the cake. The strong chocolatey flavor of the crust along with the sublime, rich, white chocolatey, cheesy flavor of the filling topped with tangy sweet topping makes it unique, a complete dessert. Your taste buds are surely going to be tantalized. Hey, if you've forgotten to subscribe to our channel, then please do so now.
Thank you.